Hi guys, check out my new indicator. This is the exhaustion reversal indicator, and you can see that it's been successful in identifying a short trade here, a long trade here, short again here, long here, short here, long here. If you're going for one-to-one, it is working great. And this is going to be free for all Patreon premium members. So actually there are two indicators which we're releasing. The first one, which you've seen in the first part of the video, is this one here. This one is using a volume and the reversal pattern, which is a push up and then you can see there's a resistance because of the wick and then an engulfing candle paired with volume, and that's working for this one here. This one tends to work better for the longer time frames. So the results that you saw previously was gold on the 4-hour chart. And what you can do is then obviously try different settings. And you need to figure out which settings you want. You drag the chart onto it, and you see sometimes it works. So this one works quite well if you're going for one-to-one. This one you get caught out. There's long here. Just get caught out, unfortunately, I think. But then that goes up. So you just need to figure out what settings work for you and which pair. You just drag whatever you want, and you get the on-screen alert. You also get an alert in the experts in the log, so you can see exactly the date, and you can scroll back if you want, if you're looking to see what that looks like historically. So obviously long, that's not a good long. That's not a good short. So, and then you can say, okay, Aussie dollar doesn't work so well, but you just have to keep looking to see which ones work for you. Let's try Aussie dollar. That's a good long. That works. That works. That just get clipped out, but that would have worked really nicely if it wasn't for that. So yeah, this possibly could work. And then you've got the VWAP exhaustion. So rather than this uses the same 3-bar pattern, but this time with VWAP, which is better for intraday sessions, which means that this one works better on the shorter time frames. So, but once again, you just need to check to see what does work best for you. So short, yeah, for one-to-one that probably worked. This one doesn't work. That's a nice long here. These ones that didn't work. Get clipped out, so maybe this doesn't work so well for that one. And euro dollar, let's have a look. Yeah, one-to-one. Yeah, that probably works as well. That's a nice short. That's a nice long. Yeah, so check it out, guys. I mean, check out. I mean, this is free for if you're a Patreon premium member. It's free. You can download it for at no extra cost. If you're not yet a member, consider joining. I want to show you also for both of these. If you look at the options, it's the same for both. We've got different various options. So for the VWAP one, you can ask it which ones, which bands do you want it to trigger. And there's also the wick. So how much proportion of body to wick do you want? Historical bars. I've also got a trend filter which you can turn on and off. Just work out which one it works best for you. And then for both of them, there are different alerts, and you can turn them on, off, whichever ones you want. If you want to be able to get an email, there's an email one there as well, but you need to know how to configure the SMTP. There's a website called SMTP to go. That works pretty well, and that will give you a free account, send up to 200 emails a month, which may be enough if you're just testing. But otherwise, you've got the on-screen alert, you've got the MT5 alert, which you can use if you've got the app installed on your phone. That can alert your phone that way, or sound alert. So all these alerts to notify you that it's found a trigger, and then you can decide whether to go short or long or do nothing. I am still testing this. If I can find some really good consistent settings, and this is where I need your help, if you find some really good settings or some ideas, I can incorporate it into the indicator. And if we find something that works, I can convert this into a trading robot for you guys. Once again, if you're a part of the premium group, you get this for free. So, and I'm talking about the trading robot, not just the indicator, but I don't want to spend effort doing it, because it does take a bit of effort doing it if it's something that doesn't work. But so far, it's got some really good potential. I feel we've seen some really good trends. Obviously, for the 4-hour one, better for daily swings, and for the VWAP, better for intraday settings. So I'll leave all the links in the description box below. If there's any comments or any ideas you have, please let me know. That's it for today. Take care, guys. Speak soon.